All right, so let's go ahead and start the lab. Scroll down to step 1. And this section is just opening Google Docs. All right, I'm going to show you both ways. You can either just go to any web browser and type in or copy or click on the http docs.google.com. Don't just left click, because if you do, I'll show you what happens. It actually takes you out of Canvas and puts you straight into Google, and you are no longer in Canvas to be able to read the instructions. So I'm going to hit the back arrow. So if you want to click on it, right click, bring up this menu, and then what you want to select is Open Link in New Window. Or you can do New Tab. It all depends on if you want it to be a separate window so that you can move it around, or if you want it as a separate tab next to your instructions. But anyway, that's one of the ways you can do it. Another way you can do it is to just open your browser, go to Google. I'll show you where that is. Google happens to be my home page on my web browser, so I'm already in Google. And this little 9-dot button that I was talking about in the lab is right here. You just click on that and you scroll down until you see Docs. For me, it's right here. Yours might be in a slightly different place. All right, so you're halfway through step 1. The second half of step 1 tells you to click on the plus icon. And I've got an image there on the lab with a red box around it telling you exactly what to click on. And I have the word plus in bold, again, telling you to click on it. So you just come right here. It says blank document. We're going to click on that. And that's the end of step 1. And you are now on a blank document. All right, so step 2, we're going to give it a name. A lot of people forget to name their Google Docs because they just automatically get saved, and you can wind up in Google accidentally with a whole lot of documents titled Untitled Document. We don't want that. So up here in the upper left corner where it says Untitled Document, you're just going to click on that. Anywhere in it. It highlights that whole set of words. And what I want you to do is type your name and then write resume. You can do first name, last name, resume, or you can just do last name, resume, whatever you'd like to do there. I'll go ahead, since this is what I wrote in the lab, I'm going to write my first, last, and the word resume. And then you just hit enter. And as soon as you hit enter, it gives it a name. It's automatically saving it to Google Drive. And now we've got our blank document that is titled Your Name Resume. And that's it. You're done with step 2.